flashing lights, dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep it cool. Nicotine in my veins.
Hey there, this is Bilal from Suicide. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this tutorial, we will see how to make a buttery slow-mo effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have a gameplay footage on my timeline, and what I want you to do is clip out the main shot part where you want the slow-mo effect. And for me, this is the point where I want the video to be slow. You can use right and left arrow keys to go frame by frame forward or backwards. After that, press the C key on your keyboard to get the razor tool and click on the playhead line, this blue line, to make a cut, and press the V key to get back to the move tool or the selection tool. Now select the video clip and right click on it and go to speed and duration. And from here you can change the video speed. I am going for 10% of the actual speed and click OK. Now go to the exact point where you want your video get back to the normal speed. Again, press the C key on your keyboard and make a cut here. Now right click on the remaining video clip, select the speed and duration and type in 100 to get the video in normal speed. Now if you play the video, you'll see the video is a bit choppy. To make it smoother, again go to speed and duration. This time in the time interpolation, click on the drop down and select the optical flow option and then click OK. As soon as you click OK, you'll see the timeline now has the red color, and it means that we need to render this part first to play the clip. Go to the start point of this red part and click on this opening bracket and you'll see a selection has appeared on timeline. Now go to the end point of this red part and click on the other bracket to close it. Alternatively, you can also press the I key and O key to make this same kind of selection. After that, go to the sequence and choose render in and out, and it will take some time depending on your computer speed. Once it is done, now you play the video and see how it looks. That's how you make a slow-mo effect. Now I want to share with you one more creative way to make the same kind of effect. First, double click on this side area to preview the clip. Go to the point where you want the slow-mo. Instead of clipping the part, right click on it and look for show clip keyframes. Go to time remapping and click on speed. After that, you'll see a white line on your video clip, and from here you can manually change this video speed. Once you have your playhead on the right spot, click on this small icon to make a speed keyframe, and now drag this bar down to adjust the video speed as you like. Go forward in video and click again on this icon to make another keyframe, and from here you can change the speed back to normal. Now zoom into the video. When you click on the keyframe, you'll see these 2 points, one on right and one on left side. Just hold one of them to split them apart and you'll see a nice slope thing which shows the smoothness of our slow-mo. And furthermore, if you click one of them, this blue guy appears and it has 2 circles on it. Just move one of the circle to make the slope even smoother. After all this, right click on your video and go to time interpolation and click on optical flow. Okay, so now we need to render this video again. And there you have your slow-mo effect. Well, I have rendered the whole clip already, so let me show you how it looks like.
I shall return when my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemy.
Alright, that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give the video a thumbs up, and you, my friends, subscribe to the channel right now for more awesome stuff. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.